Say, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna torture our animals and put a costume on them. Then we're gonna jump in some leaves. We're gonna put a spider on our chicken. Oh, watch out, babe. But she's not too mad at me. Oh, it's okay. Hey, 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 hey. You can stop in those moments. What we got, buddy? Shoot, I can't turn it around. She's gonna be so mad at me. Luckily, chickens don't hold grudges like pigs, because he's gonna be super mad when I get done with him. Okay, let's see. Ah! Well, that was a total fail. Okay. You guys want to go in? I'll turn. Are you recording? Okay, so I'm gonna try a little spider chicken. Hold on. I gotta get my settings ready. Mav, go. Maverick. Oh, that's perfect. Maverick. Maverick, no. Come here, baby. So dramatic. Come here. Under. So much funner on Facebook. Come here, let me fix your... Dayton, come here, you want to come in? Come here, look. Come here. Are you stressing out, buddy? I want to fix the legs. Come here. He's so mad at me. He got it off. Are you mad at Mama? Yeah. Come here. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here. Here, buddy. Good boy. He's like... Yeah. Yeah. That would have been cute on Honor if he would have not messed up the legs. Here, buddy. All right, you stay. Woo! Thanks, Matthias, for coming out to jump on the leaves. Honor. Yes. Honor, are you mad at me? Hi, buddy. You're not mad? Yeah.